Hi guys, I'm just wanting to know if any of you have been to a mastermind. My last mastermind experience was a few years ago. I actually went to one called 3 Days to Cash in Sydney, and there I met this guy called Brennan, and he was there learning about business, and now he has a highly successful business. It's called Equal Reality, and he travels around the world and he's having a great time. And we still talk on Facebook to this day every now and again. There was also a couple of guys I met there at that mastermind who were in marketing, and I created my first indie feature film, and I had no idea how to market this film and how I was going to actually make money from it. So that's why I went down to the 3 Day to Cash mastermind event, so I could learn about marketing and actually monetizing my film. So there I met these two guys who were in marketing, and so I hired them to create a movie poster for me and to set up a WordPress website for me and put a email collection thing on it so I could set up I was using Infusionsoft at the time. I don't use Infusionsoft anymore. I use ClickFunnels. But I got all that set up and learnt about sales funnels and stuff like that back then. This was many years ago. So the point being is I made connections at that mastermind and lifelong friends who I still talk to this day on Facebook, right? And I had a great time. It's the people, it's the connections that make a mastermind. Okay, so I'm just curious to know what your experiences have been with masterminds. Put your comments down below. And the whole point of bringing this subject up is because you are going to see a transition, a shift, because Dean Graziosi, Russell Brunson, the owner of ClickFunnels, and Tony Robbins created a webinar online training event. Perhaps you may have heard of it. 250,000 people showed up, and their affiliates have been marketing it like crazy. So I'm surprised if you haven't heard of it. If you didn't get to watch that online training, you've missed out, because their offer is being taken away in 3 hours time. I'm serious. So if you want to know what I'm talking about, I'm going to take you through a run through of what was offered on that online training. It's called the Knowledge Business Blueprint. And what they do is they're going to teach people how to create a successful and impacting online or offline mastermind course or workshop, okay, and how you can monetize that. And if you are not an expert in anything, it doesn't matter, because you can be what's called a knowledge broker and leverage the knowledge of someone else and use their expertise, team up with them, or just use their knowledge and package it up into a mastermind, a workshop, or a course, and make money from it and create impact for other people. You are going to see more and more of this because of how many people are now aware of this concept, because of Tony, Dean, and Russell's online training that attracted 250,000 people. And so they're telling other people about this, and the message is going to be spread. Okay, online courses have been around for a while now, but what I'm saying is that more and more people are going to become aware of this concept, and it's going to be brought to light, and there is going to be a shift, a transformation of how education is communicated to other people. It is no longer necessary to have to go to university for knowledge and skills. Okay, you can reach out to other people holding a mastermind, a course, or a workshop and learn what it is you want to learn from them. Does that make sense? So you can get a skill or some knowledge, learn how to do something, how to change your life in some way, how to improve your business, so to speak, from learning from other people. Does that make sense? So you don't need to go to university, and you don't the schooling system is going to be shaken up. Okay, I'm just letting you know now, you are going to witness this for yourself. More and more people are going to be creating these masterminds, courses, and workshops, and more people are going to be reaching out to learn from these people, because the fact is there are people out there that want to learn exactly what it is you can share with them, exactly what you know and your skill set. They want to learn from you, but they don't know where you are. They can't find you because you're not out there creating a course or a mastermind or a workshop. Does that make sense? You could be monetizing what it is you already know, the skill that you have, whether that be makeup or something else. You might know how to play the piano. You might know how to get into the mining industry. You might know how to be a good mum. Okay, all of these skills, especially if it's in the space of health, wealth, or relationships, any of those categories are going to be highly profitable for you. If you know anything about anything that fits into those categories, then this is for you, right? So anything that you know, any skill that you have, you can share with other people and monetize it and create impact for other people. Because the thing is, if you're keeping this to yourself, it is being selfish, because there are people that have a problem that need to be solved, and they want to reach out and get that knowledge, that skill that will solve that problem for them. Does that make sense? So you are a problem solver by putting your knowledge and skill out there for other people to learn. Does it make sense? So don't keep that to yourself, because that's being selfish. You could be helping people to solve problems and making money from that for yourself, making a change in your own life, as well as changing the lives of other people and creating impact for them. Does that make sense? So how you go about doing that is by learning from the best teachers in the world, Tony Robbins and Dean Graziosi, who have been doing this for many years. Okay, and Tony Robbins has not created a course in over 10 years, and you may not have this opportunity again for a very long time. They're shutting the doors to this offer that they've created, that they launched. It is ending in 3 hours, but you have the opportunity to get in now and purchase it before they shut the doors. That's why I'm on here letting you know that the doors are closing. So I'm going to show you something. I'm going to walk you through. I'm just going to get into my computer here, walk you through what exactly I'm talking about, so that you people that are sitting on the fence, the logical buyers, can see what exactly it is and then make an informed decision. But you need to move fast, because you only have 3 hours. Okay, they are serious about that, and they are shutting the doors, so you need to act fast. All right, so let me just spin this camera around. So this is a walkthrough of the Knowledge Business Blueprint. Okay.
Hey everybody, welcome to the Knowledge Business Blueprint. I'm going to take a few minutes here real quick and just walk through what the course looks like and also the layout of it. So here we go. This is the KBB homepage. KBB is what we're calling the course. So this is the homepage. Welcome video from Tony and Dean. Some of our next steps that we want. And then here are the modules that we have broken down. We broke down the course into 4 modules: extract it, fill it, run it, and knowledge broker. In the first module, extract it, this is where we're going to learn how to extract our knowledge and how to find out our ideal client, what we're going to teach in our small group workshop or mastermind, and a few other awesome things. As you can see in module 1, extract it, you're going to learn Tony Robbins' secrets to success, your expertise in ideal client, and a few other things. I won't go through every single lesson, but here's what we have right now. And as you go into a lesson, let me go into the Story Teach Tool lesson. You'll see inside this lesson that there's multiple videos. Each lesson has anywhere from 2 to 5 videos, which are all really cool. At the end of each lesson, we have a quiz. When they pass their quiz, they can unlock their bonus. So like I said, this course is broken down into 4 modules. The first one is extract it. The second one is fill it. This is how you're going to fill your small group workshop or mastermind. It's the marketing secrets, it's the funnel blueprint, the wagon wheel, multiple different pages, and our launch secrets. Again, each lesson has videos inside of it with a quiz. After fill it is run it. This is the section that's going to teach you how to actually put on your event and everything that you need to know that's involved in there. Perfect mastermind formula, virtual events, in-person events, and then the last steps. Then our 4th module is knowledge consultant, also a knowledge broker. This is where we're going to teach people how to, if they don't have their own following, we're going to teach them how to partner with someone that does have a following and help them extract their knowledge and put on a small group workshop or mastermind. Very briefly, I want to walk you through what an actual training session will look like. So I came back to module 1, and I'm going to go back to Story Teach Tool like I did in the previous example. And let's just go to a training video, Secret Art of Storytelling. Inside the actual session will be the video, the session overview, action steps that the people can take, tools where they can download their tools, the audio where they can download that, and then the transcript where they can download that. We wanted to make sure every single student had everything they needed to make this the absolute best course in the entire world. We even created a really cool bonus for our students called Achievements, also known as badges. So when you click over here, it'll take you to an achievements page where you'll actually get badges for things you accomplished, like creating your first event in the software, completing Module 4, completing Module 1. These aren't 100% done right now, but we're working on getting those uploaded. Those should be done probably any minute now, anytime today. But we thought these were really cool to keep people excited and engaged as they keep moving through the course. We also did something else that's really cool. We created what we call credits. So every time you pass a quiz, you get a credit. And then you can come down here to your account and you can go over to Power Moves. And you can actually redeem your credits for some of these bonuses that we have. These aren't 100% up to date. The graphics aren't 100% up to date. Those will be changing today as well. But you can go ahead and take some of your credits, like as you can see I have 4, and you can actually access these bonuses by purchasing them with your credits. That's something we also thought was really cool. So I hope this has been a quick, easy overview of the course. Just to go back real quick to the home page and remind you again that the course is broken down into the 4 modules: extract it, fill it, run it, and knowledge broker. Extracting your knowledge, knowing what to teach, creating your agenda, the marketing and how to fill your event, and then how to actually put on your event so people keep coming back and want to keep buying from you in the future. And then of course the knowledge broker section, where if you're doing it for someone else, you can help them extract their knowledge, put it on an event, and just share the profits. So I hope this is a quick, easy tutorial on our amazing knowledge business blueprint, and hope to talk again soon. Thanks guys, bye.
Okay, so how do you go about purchasing this? There's links all over my Instagram page. This is a post I put on Facebook, but this is the link that you will see on my posts on my Instagram page, okay, along with any sort of photos of Dean Graziosi, Tony Robbins, or Russell Brunson. Click on the link and it will take you to this page here, and as you can see there's only 2 hours to go, 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Okay, and this is where you can purchase this product here along with the training, the knowledge business blueprint. Learn how to extract your knowledge, fill your events seamlessly and run them online or in person, and profit from someone else's knowledge as well. You get a free year of the MindMint software that you just saw, the curriculum designer, point and click web builder, and point and click web builder and event wizard, the private KBB Facebook group, the in-depth KBB workbook, the brand new Go Live with Tony Robbins. It's a new bonus he's thrown in on Tuesday, May the 14th, which is tomorrow in America, in the private KBB Facebook group. It is as you can see, it's the 14th today in Australia, not to confuse anyone. When they say Tuesday 14th, they mean tomorrow. Okay, in the private KBB Facebook group to discover 3 steps to unleash success, plus these bonuses, the best of platinum. Get access to closed door trainings that only people who have paid $85,000 have had access to until now. The live monthly training with Dean Graziosi. Stay on track to your full potential by learning Dean's biggest breakthroughs live every month. You can go in there and ask him questions, I guess. Or if you have any questions, you can also reach out to me. I'm going to have my own Facebook group where you can come in and ask me anything you want, and I will help you. So you'll have me to hold your hand through this, putting this together, okay? Funnels to fill. Learn the next level marketing strategies to fill your events automatically from one of the best on the planet, Russell Brunson, the owner of ClickFunnels. Traffic bundle. Get the traffic secrets training from Dean's personal in-house marketing team. These guys are superheroes and great at what they do. Jenna Kutcher live, she's thrown in a bonus. Get to our live training with Jenna Kutcher to walk you through setting up your event with confidence from start to finish in 30 days or less. Joel Marion live. Get a 2-hour training with one of the world's top email marketers on how to build an email list to fill your event faster and easier. Today, the total value is $7,328. Yours today for only $1,997. That is only for 3 hours. Okay, and there's a lot of testimonials with this. Okay, they released a whole live video training recently with all the testimonials, well, not all of them, but some of the testimonials and success stories from people that have used this already and have got success with it already. Okay, 1 hour to go and 58 minutes and 57 seconds. Make sure you go find the link on my Instagram page, click on it, and it will take you to this order form page where you can go purchase this offer. And not to mention, clear your cookies first. If you've already clicked on an ad, somebody else's ad to this offer, clear your cookies so that you can receive my bonuses. Okay, you need to contact me and show me a screenshot of purchasing through my link and some proof of purchase, and you can access my bonuses. Okay, I'm putting together a course myself about how to create online courses if you're creating an online course, as well as some lighting for your course videos. I'm throwing in a couple of books. One's worth $100, and the other one is a free plus shipping book that I'm throwing in. That's my own personal copy. There is also lighting, a lot of bonuses that go with my course offer. You're going to get a whole bunch of stuff, but you need to get in now. It's 1 hour and 57 minutes and 50 seconds to go. So I'm going to let you go and go do that. Find a post on my Instagram page, click on the link that takes you to this order page here and purchase right now. You won't regret it. You will regret it if you don't purchase now, because you're not going to get this offer ever again. I'm serious about that. So this is like me as a friend letting you know not to miss out on this. So that's why I'm encouraging you to go and check it out and purchase now, because you're not going to get this offer again. Okay, I'm helping you out here. So help yourself out. Don't procrastinate. Don't leave it till the last minute and then have major FOMO, fear of missing out, and regret because you missed out. Don't be that person. Get in now and get it and start changing your life and the lives of other people. Okay? Go now.